On April 9th, 2025, officers responded to Lowe's after reports of an active shoplifting incident involving a man previously trespassed multiple times who had returned to steal again. Moments later, officers pulled him over as he tried to get away.
You're not hurt or anything, are you? No. Okay. You have to be in the car, you're not over? Other than this stuff?
Yeah. Make that stuff.
No drugs, guns, knives, hand grenades, scissors.
I told him I just had to leave it now.
Okay, how much we talk?
A one hitter.
How many cares about that? Guns, knives, explosives, anything pointing, sticky?
I don't really do it.
Okay. I don't know who does though, right? I'm too close to the end of my career to get stuck with a needle. That would make me very, very unhappy.
I'm too early in mine to get stuck.
You're right, there is no good time.
Exactly.
Is
there any way I can pay for that? Pay for the wood? Please, so I don't have to get my vehicle towed.
Lowe's called us, so I would assume that is already gone. There's an officer who's on scene talking to them. So.
Get a while you stand from it?
It's my understanding this might not be the first time though. So, again, remember when I told you need to be honest?
Yeah.
You need to be honest. Then I mean completely honest.
All right, you gonna go outside?
Yeah. Are you on probation or for anything? Nothing at all?
No, okay. I'm not on nothing, no.
Okay, when's the last time you arrested for anything?
Right.
How long's it been?
Like 6 months.
Okay, that case still pending?
Yeah.
Is that here in Champaign?
No.
Or was it?
Springfield.
Okay. Is it for stealing? Again, just be honest.
I'm not sure what that grand luxury shows. That's
yeah. What did they pinch you on for that?
Nothing yet.
Sweet, thank you. Those are his pocket.
Oh, you pull that out?
Yeah, those are his pocket.
It was writing there.
Whew. Okay. When he started telling me this stuff been in there, I'm like, man, it's wet. Dude, like, this couldn't have just been in there.
It just got loaded in.
Yeah.
Even this is all.
I'm like, it's wet, man.
Yeah.
So him now he's coming up saying, oh, I forgot my wallet. Like, come on now, bro. We're past that now, man. You're obviously lying. Like, yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get this back over there then, but
well,
a lot of wood. Who was there now? Was it
785?
70?
Is that a truck number?
Yeah. 785, 711. Do they have anyone with a truck that can come pick this lumber up and some other merchandise that he had taken?
This guy is a burglar.
Yeah.
He's got headlamps, he's got the angle grinder, he's got a sledgehammer, he's got wire cutters.
705, 10 4.
Yeah,
Well,
every
they
bit
say
of
something
this.
about his drugs and stuff, so it's, to me, it's like,
He does it to feed the habit.
yeah. I'm no psychologist, but I'd say that.
You, I'm sorry?
I said, I'm no psychologist, but I'd say that.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff in here. You got Christmas tree lights and shit? Man.
He's got his one hitter here.
Okay. So I was sure, like, man, I want to catch the guy because I'm like, we got to take a report on this. He needs to go to jail then. Yeah, well, I mean, if that's the case, if you don't mind me asking questions, so I can ask you questions, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, that's what I'm trying to understand. All right, so, yeah, of course, to get a call about, somebody loading lumber into a Chevy HHR, gives this plate off and everything. We come to a stop. You say that there was nothing that you said you didn't put anything in there, all the stuff had been in there, but I mean, obviously I can look and see that it was just raining out. Everything in the car is wet. So, I mean, that's a clue if I've seen one or haven't seen one. But, how much more stuff have you taken from Lowe's? Say again?
Not much.
Not much. I mean, what? Not much can be 1 or 2 times, but in my book, just if somebody stole from me one time, that's too many. So I mean, like, how many other times? Like 3, 4, 5 times?
Maybe, yeah, like that.
Like, if you give me a number, I don't want to guess for you.
Maybe 3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 other times. Well, man, why'd you take the stuff, man? Why'd you take it? You seem like a pretty decent guy. If you got the money to pay for it, why would you? you know.
I thought I forgot my card, man. This time, I was going to pay for it. She said something to me yesterday.
Who said
when I
something?
was in there at Lowe's.
So you thought you forgot your car? Come on, man. Like
I
this.
did, man. I was going to pay for it.
I have literally. Come on, man. What you
have a
want?
wallet.
You want them on the IOU? You was gonna pay him?
No, that's the thing. She said something to me yesterday, so why would I go and do it knowing they're watching me?
Probably because you
Give
don't.
me like a hint, like, hey, we saw you shopping on the boulevard.
Uh-huh.
And I knew,
But you still left, man. Like me leaving, because I've left my wallet plenty of times, man, in my car, and I'd be like, you know what? Before I take this out, I'll be back. I'll let myself my wallet. I mean, I've done it plenty of times, man. Had a cart full of stuff. Be like,
I loaded the car though, man, and I was gonna run in and pay for it. And
how if you didn't ring it up?
Huh?
What you mean, huh? If you didn't ring it,
bag off the end of the board.
how much did all this stuff cost?
Maybe like $80.
Maybe $80.
Yeah.
Hey, Trevor, he wants to know if he could pay for this stuff now.
He wants to pay for it?
Yeah, he's claiming he wants to pay for it.
I mean, if he wants to, he can.
What about last week's?
And what about all the other merchandise he's stolen from me in the past weeks?
Yeah, so I mean,
He's been stealing left and right. At this point, I don't really want to sell him anything.
Okay, if that's the case,
Yeah.
then it'll be a legal matter, and we'll
Yeah.
take him over east. So
Yeah, I mean, he's been hitting me left and right. Did you want to look at the video?
yeah, I'll look at it just
Okay.
to.
Let me get logged in real quick. Hold on.
Okay.
So Lowe's does sell that brand. But he says for video, he did not take it from the Champagne Lowe's today.
Okay.
So
Probably got it from somewhere else. Probably another Lowe's, and
you want him to take it?
It's a product we carry.
yeah, if you can take it, if it's from a Lowe's.
I can definitely take it. He just didn't get it. I was told he only got the lumber from me today.
Thank you so much. I should be sending you a link shortly.
You do want me taking the mulch? Or no?
It's kind of hard to say right now because I mean it's we can't prove if he bought it or not. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? But
Just leave it?
yeah, because if we didn't see it loaded from there, I don't want to
Yeah,
come up on
he
nothing.
definitely just told me about the different
Yeah.
lumber stuff.
About how much money worth of lumber is that?
$40,
40?
roughly. And again, I was telling the other guy, he comes in every single day, or tries to. There's some days he gets stuff, and other days, because they run the clock system for his license plate,
Yeah.
so that's how they know when he shows up.
Okay.
But we don't always get to respond in time.
I
Okay.
think there's 16 bags of mulch. They're on sale right now for $5 a bag, which is actually a pretty good deal.
Really good deal.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
That's a good rubber mulch, too. That's
Yeah, I
what
might have to
pays.
slide by and grab some of that myself.
We got 5 for $10 regular mulch, too, right now.
Really?
Like, it's like Mulch Fest, Spring Fest.
Really?
So that's just if you just want like your regular, like, this colored mulch. They got red, black, and brown.
$5 a bag for rubber, though.
5 for 10. The rubber's no joke, right? It just lasts longer.
He was arrested and charged with retail theft, criminal trespass. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.